What is up? It is Big Char Trades back with another video, and in this video I am going to be recapping my trade from today where I made around $6,900 or $6,297 across all of my accounts. We caught like 45 points. Let me just get into this trade because this was a big one. If you saw my recap on Twitter, then you saw we took this long, or on Instagram as well. I actually live traded today for like the first time in the premium Discord. So everyone in the Discord bank today. Let me get into today's trade and everything. So coming into the market, the first thing I see is this bearish SMT right here. And today was a little bit hard to decipher what the market wanted to do, right? Because at market open, we were around here, right? So we were sort of stuck in this range. And in my eyes, right, coming into today, my drawn liquidity for the Discord, if we took London highs first, then I would have taken shorts. We had all of this sell side liquidity. Or if we took Asia lows first, I would have taken longs up into London highs because, whenever we have a situation like this where we're sort of stuck in a range, I'm just waiting for one of the sides of the range to get taken out. My second side of the range that hasn't got taken out yet would be the draw. So for example, today, this is what I wanted. I wanted this 15-minute fair value gap after we sweep Asia lows. And as you saw from price action today, we sort of just ripped through all of those lows there. So at this point in time, we had swept all the way down to this London low, and we had this beautiful hourly or 15-minute fair value gap that we traded into. We also had SMT because as you guys can see right here, that same fair value gap, where is it? Why does this keep happening? Where is it? Over here. Yeah, that same fair value gap got swept at this low right here. And, the NASDAQ didn't sweep that low yet. So we had that SMT. First attempt was a 30-second, if this loads. First attempt was this 30-second inversion right here, I'm pretty sure. First attempt. I took two trades. The first trade was it this 30-second inversion right here? No, it wasn't. It wasn't the 30-second. First attempt was this 30-second inversion. This was the first 30-second inversion right here. We came in and closed. Oh wait, no, we didn't even close over that. Where the hell was it? Yeah, right here on this closure and stop went at this low. I knew this. I wasn't really confident in this trade because we did not tap into that 15-minute gap. So then price went ahead and stopped me out. And then we got a nice 1-minute inversion right here. And we entered on the retest. Yeah, we got a nice retest entry after inverting this small little bearish gap right here. We got a retest entry. Stop went at the low. Here, let me mark it out. Stop went at the low, and my initial TP was all the way to London highs. That was trade idea. So this would have panned out to be like a 6R trade. And then as price traded through, let me just go here. If we go to the 5-minute time frame, if it loads. Yeah, so on the 5-minute time frame, we can see that we got some bearish SMT that got put in place right around, where the hell was it? This loads. Where is this SMT? Right here. This bearish SMT right here. As you can see, the NASDAQ took this high and ES. What the hell? Where the hell is it? Oh, wait, it was here. Was it at this high? Oh my God, this is really annoying. No, because the NASDAQ also took that high as well. Okay, I think it could have been this candlestick. ES took the high or something. Oh yeah, right here. Right here, I'm an idiot. Right here, as you can see, NASDAQ did not take the high. ES took the high, so that's where I cut the trade. And if we fast forward to right now, right, that's where I cut the trade. So we had a nice, the trade was cut for like 40 points. I think I cut it like somewhere on this retracement. Could have cut it like right here or something. like right on this retracement. When I saw we were ejecting off the SMT, that's where I cut it. And then if we fast forward to now, price is currently right here. So it looks like price will take this final TP by the end of the day. But this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. So we went 1 for 2 on the day, but we still ended the day up $6,297 across the accounts. With that being said, that was my trade from today. If you want to see my executions, they're all on Twitter and Instagram as well. So wait, let me just exit out of this replay trading mode. So yeah, those are where all my executions are. If you're in the narrative, you would have taken this with me because we were all on live as this was happening. This is a fucking beautiful trade, like barely any drawdown. So with that being said, that concludes today's trade recap. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you took the same trade, or if you have any questions or anything. I literally read all my comments. So if you have anything to say at all, just let me know. And yeah, subscribe if you feel like it. Follow me on my socials. And if you feel like it, click the link in the description. Join the fucking narrative. That being said, peace out. Have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you tomorrow.